Students, very good morning to all. Today we are discuss about how to draw uh, truncated hexagonal prism. So the question is a hexagonal prism of base edge 25 mm and height 50 mm rest on the HP on its base with two of its rectangular face perpendicular to VP. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 30 degree to HP and perpendicular to VP at a distance of 40 mm from its base. Draw the isometric view of the truncated prism. So first we draw the true shape. When we draw the true shape, what is the condition? Base with two of its rectangular faces perpendicular to VP. So you see here A to F is perpendicular to VP. Similarly, C to D is perpendicular to VP. Then you mark the hexagonal all 6 corner point in true shape. Then you draw the dimensions as per base edge dimensions 25 mm. Kindly you mention the dimensions. Then you find out the center point. Then you project the front view. So this is a top edges. This is a base edges. So at this point A is visible, F dash is hidden. So at this point B dash is visible, E dash is hidden. At this corner C dash is visible, D dash is hidden. Next we focus the base edges. So at this corner 1 dash is visible, 6 dash is hidden. So at this point 2 dash is visible, 5 dash is hidden. At this point 3 dash is visible, 4 dash is hidden. Now we draw the section plane. What is the section plane condition here? Section plane inclined 30 degree to HP and 40 mm above its base. So 40 mm above its base, we draw the section plane for 30 degree. So this is a 30 degree. So section plane above the base 40 mm, we draw the section plane for 30 degree. 30 degree means 30 degree to HP. Height of the solid is 50 mm. Now where is the first section point? The first section point on the A1 longer edges. Where is the second section point? The second section point on the B2 longer edges. Where is the third section point? The third section point on the top edges. So we project this point throughout the true shape. So now we get the point R section point on the CB top edges. Similarly, S section point on the DE top edges. Next section point on the T section point on E5 longer edges. Next section point U section point on the F6 longer edges. Always for these given conditions, you find out the section point in the true shape only. Then only you transfer the true shape. Then only you transfer the section point to this front view. So P dash visible, U dash hidden. At this point Q dash visible, T dash hidden. At the section point R dash visible, S dash hidden. Now in front view, you find out this height from here. Then only we transfer to the 3D view. So this is a 40 mm. Already you know this is a 50 mm. So similarly, this section point, where is the section point? This is in between D to E. You mark the S to D, then you transfer. This is C to R. You measure the dimensions, then you transfer. Now we convert it into isometric view. So isometric means you know very well that is a 30 degree 30 degree. Next very important thing is here how to fix this A point. So for that you have to concentrate section lower point, section upper point. So in the section lower point, so for the planes and isometric view, for this true shape we must draw the outermost box, that is a B C D. So from this A B C D section lower point, which is available, A point is available or B point is available. So section lower point, A point is available. So where is the section lower point is available, you focus that particular point only. So you consider this as a point. Then you draw the all base edges A, B, C, D. Then as per the height 50 mm, you draw the all longer edges from this A, B, C, D point. You draw the base edges here, then you draw the longer edges here, then you draw the top edges here. Now simply you transfer this A, B, C, D, E, F point on the top edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point on the base edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 1. Similarly, top edges A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F and F to A. Now we transfer the section point. Where is the P section point? P section point on the A1 long edges. Where is the Q section point? Q section point on the B2 long edges. Where is the R section point? R section point that is available on the top edges in between B to C. Similarly, S section point that is available on the top edges D to E. Again, the T section point that is available on the E to 5. The next section point U that is available on the F to 6. So you find out the height from here. For P and U, you find out the height from this front view, then you transfer here. Similarly, Q and T, you find out the height from here, then you transfer to this isometric view. Then R section point you find out from the that is available on the top edges. You find out from the B to C sides, but it is nearer to C point. So C to R, you mark the dimensions from the true shape, then you transfer C to R. Similarly, S point on the top edges. D to S, you measure, then you transfer D to S here. So P section point, Q section point, R section point, S section point, T section point, U section point. Now you connect P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to T, T to U and U to P. Now the lower portion is a remaining portion, the upper portion is a removed portion. So you darken the longer edges, for the remaining portion you darken the, with help of HP pencil you represent the remaining portions. So U to 6, P to 1, Q to 2, C to 3, C to D, D to S, S to T, T to U, U to P, P to Q, Q to R, R to C and R to S, and again base edges 6 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Now you do the hatching process here. So which part is sectioned, that particular portion, with the help of hatching we have to represent. This is a truncated hexagonal prism. Thank you, students.